In this video, I'll show you how to create a quick zoom transition in CapCut PC Pro. Let's get started. Let's take these two videos as an example. Drag them to the timeline in your preferred order. Go to the Transitions tab and use the search bar to type Zoom Transition. Find the zoom transition, drag and drop it between your clips. If a pop-up window appears asking create duplicate frames for transition, just click OK. Adjust the transition duration using the slider, shorter for a fast zoom, longer for a smoother effect. To apply the same transition to multiple clips, tap Apply to All. That's it! Your video now has dynamic zoom transitions. Thanks for watching.